Jamaican style brown stew beef with carrots and Irish. It's another video. It's been a while I haven't done a stew beef video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and drop a comment. Now I'll be making some Jamaican style beef, stewed beef with veggies. Seasoned my beef. Feel free to season with whatever you want. Now once I added my oil, I added a little bit of brown sugar in this. This is to help with the coloring, although I will be using a little hint of browning. Red meat, as we know, they say it's not good, but I'm tired of chicken. Here I have my bell peppers. I'll be using some carrots and some Irish potatoes. I used bell pepper, lots of garlic, ginger, onions, scallion. I seasoned with smoked paprika, garlic powder, all-purpose chicken bouillon, a little thyme, and I did use a little salt. Now I'm adding in a little food coloring, and you all know how to cook. So I will be doing a part of this video as ASMR. Yes. Once my beef started to get a little color, I added me some browning in it. Now this took roughly 1.5 hours to cook. Once it has the color that I want, then I will be adding in all my green seasoning. Lots of herbs and spices. As I go along, I just add warm water to this. Added some pimento seeds to this. And you want to leave your pot to cook. Make sure you watch your pot. What is Jamaican style food without some pepper? I did use some spicy pepper in it. Once I added in my herbs and spices, I just mixed everything in, and I check this like every 5 minutes to make sure the water is not dried out. And I used warm water because I want the meat to keep the same temperature while it is cooking. This is almost 45 minutes in. My beef is almost ready. So now I'll be adding in additional bell pepper in it because that's a girl business and I love beef with pepper. Added in my carrots and some Irish potatoes, and I gave this another 20 to 30 minutes to cook. Once this starts to make a little gravy, I added a little cornstarch slurry in this to help to thicken my gravy. This, as I said, took 1.5 hours to cook. I like my beef well done. Just added me some hot pepper. There, my pot is bubbling. My pot is almost ready. I just need to see gravy instead of lots of broth or lots of water or juice in this. Feel free also to add a little ketchup once you add in your cornstarch slurry. If you don't have cornstarch, then mix a little flour. That's what we used to use back home in Jamaica, because then we couldn't afford, or little did we know then, about cornstarch. Added in cornstarch slurry, Then I leave on medium heat. I cook this up with some pigeon peas. In Jamaica, we call it gungo peas. Yes, with some stew beef. And there goes my finished pot of brown stew beef with carrots and Irish potato. Tell me your girl ain't bomb. This looks delicious. This looks really, really tantalizing. And this was Sunday dinner. And this beef has no bone. That's what my gravy is supposed to look like. At this point, dinner is served. Avocado, plantain, pigeon peas with rice, and some raw veg, and also some string beans. Thank you. See you soon in another video.